Once you have both legs completed, and by completed I mean not just crocheted, but with the boot cuffs, the sock edge, and also the laces done, you're going to work on joining the legs together to make the body. So to begin, what you're going to do is have both legs facing the same direction away from you, like so. Then you're going to take your the leg to the right and insert your hook into the side stitch of that leg, like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to join, attach yarn, and then make a chain across to join to the next leg. I'll show how that's done. So with this in your hand, attach that yarn like so, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and join with a single crochet to the side of the next leg. It's important that you join it to the side so that the legs are both pointing forward. If you're joining it to, let's say, the middle, the leg's going to be facing in. So you really want to make sure that your legs are pointed outwards. So you join here with a single crochet. Oops. Well, that was a disaster. I'm sorry. Let me do that again. Insert your hook to the side. Attach yarn. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Get your second leg and join to a stitch on the side of the second leg. As you can see, when I do so, the legs will still be pointed in the same direction together. So I'm joining this with a single crochet. Then I'm going to single crochet around the rest of this leg. So that was the first single crochet. Remember the top of the leg had 16 stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the 15 stitches around this leg. After you have 16 stitches around that leg, we're going to be coming up to the chain 3 in the middle. What you're going to do is actually work a single crochet in each of those 3 chains. So I'm going to take my yarn here. I'm going to insert my hook into that very first chain, like so. Insert a single crochet. Go into the next chain and insert a single crochet, and into that third chain and a single crochet. And I have to make sure I don't pull it out because that's actually where I started the join, so my yarn end is there. So at this point, it might be good for me to tuck that yarn in a little tighter. Let me just do that real quick. That way it won't get pulled out too easily. All right. So there we have it. We did that leg. We did the 3 chains over there on 3 single crochets over the 3 chains. And now what we're going to do is move into that second leg and single crochet in each of the 16 chains, 16 stitches in that leg. So let's go around. Once you've single crocheted around those loops on the leg, all that's left to do for this first round is to single crochet back across those 3 chains. So remember how we did it to the front side? We're going to do it in the back side too. So I'm going to find that first chain. As you can see, there's the second half of that chain left unworked. So go into that loop and make a single crochet. Go into the second chain. Make a single crochet. Go into the third chain and make a single crochet. And that's going to be the stopping point for our round. The next round of the body, you're going to continue working in the leg all the way around the stitches that you made in the chain 3 around the other leg and back. So that's that for the first round of the leg and of the body, excuse me. And as you can see, the legs are now joined. So we'll, as you can see, that's a nice little divot right there. So you'll just continue working in the round now.